in the air, tears in my eyes, dinners destroyed.